this video I'm gonna be sharing with you how to make money on TikTok as a beginner. So this video is gonna be a step-by-step whereby I'm gonna be sharing with you 4 ways that you could actually use to make money on TikTok. So the number 1 way you could use to make money on TikTok is by actually joining the TikTok creativity program. So if you don't know what the creativity program is, so the creativity program is a means of monetizing every single views you're going to be getting on your video on TikTok. So this is just a way whereby TikTok is actually going to be paying you for every views, for every like that your video gets. In order for you to start making money from this monetization option, you need to actually meet up the TikTok monetization requirement, which is actually you getting 1,000 followers right here, and also you need to have at least 100,000 videos in the last 30 days. I know that might sound a lot, but it's actually doable because I was able to actually monetize my TikTok account in less than 7 days. So if you know you haven't gone to check out my recent video where I literally walk you through how you could literally create a US foreign TikTok account, I'm gonna advise you go check out the video. So I'm gonna be leaving the link to the video in the video description, so you could actually go watch the video once you're done watching this video, because I actually explain more in details regarding the TikTok creativity program. Because in order to join the TikTok creativity program, you must actually have a US TikTok account, because any out TikTok account is not actually allowed. So if you think maybe you have a Nigerian TikTok account that you could actually use to apply for the creativity program, you won't be accepted into the creativity program, because the creativity program is not actually available in African country including Nigeria. So that is the reason why you really need a US TikTok account for you to start making money from the creativity program. And I already show you guys how you could actually create a US TikTok account in my previous video, so do well to go check out the video once you're done watching this video. So the question you guys may be asking yourself is that how can we actually meet up with the TikTok creativity program requirement? Well, there's actually a way you could actually go about that. So if you know you want me to do a detailed and separate video about how you could literally grow a TikTok account to actually meet up with the requirement, I want you guys to go down to the comment section and drop me a comment. So I need to make sure I'm seeing a lot of comments from people telling me to actually create a video, and the reason is because I don't want to just create a video based on some little comments. So if I see a lot of people commenting on the video, I'm going to be actually releasing the full video on how you could actually monetize your TikTok account from anywhere you are in the world. So if you know you have found the video helpful so far, please do well to give the video a like, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, and also do well to drop your boy a comment in the comment section below. So the second way you could actually make money on TikTok is by actually going live on TikTok. So I know you guys might actually gone on TikTok and you guys might actually watch a couple of live video on TikTok. And guys, if you don't know, these guys are actually making money from their live video. So there's actually a way you could actually make money from your live video. And one thing I love about this monetization option is that this monetization option is actually available from anywhere you are in the world. So it does not matter anywhere you are in the world. If you are watching this video from Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, USA, you could actually make money from this second monetization option on TikTok. So all you need to do is to basically just go live on your TikTok account, and whenever you go live on your TikTok account, TikTok is going to be giving your viewers the option to actually send you a gift card. So you could actually redeem this gift card for real cash. But in order for you to actually make a decent amount of money from this second monetization option, you must actually have a couple of followers on your TikTok account. So these followers are not just any followers, they are actually followers that actually love what you do and also appreciate what you do. So this method might actually be applicable for people like the celebrities. So if you know you are a celebrity right here, this is another way you could actually make money from the second monetization option. But if you know you do not have a couple of followers, or you are not a celebrity right here, there's another way you actually use to make money if you know you want to use second monetization option. So all you need to do right here is to actually go live on your TikTok account, and if you know you have something valuable that you could offer to people, that people could actually find it valuable, I could guarantee that they're actually going to be giving you a gift. So you must try to find out something that you know you are knowledgeable about, or something you know you could actually teach people that they could find really valuable. So this could be anything. So it could actually be, if you have knowledge about how to teach people how to cook, you could actually create a TikTok account literally walking people through how to cook different kind of recipes. You could also teach people like how to do stuff, like if you have knowledge about graphic design, website development, it could be anything right here. You could just create a new TikTok account literally walking people how to do this thing for free, and I could guarantee you guys that are going to be actually sending you gift, and from this gift card you could actually redeem them for real cash by actually transferring the money into your local bank account. So if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Do well to smash the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So the third way you could actually make money from TikTok is by actually doing affiliate marketing on TikTok, and I could tell you guys that you could actually make a lot of money from TikTok affiliate marketing, because I myself have currently like make a couple of dollars from actually doing affiliate marketing on TikTok, because TikTok is actually a big platform that actually pushes your video, so you could actually go viral in a blink of an eye. And one thing I love about this method is that you could actually start making money right now. So you don't need to have a large audience for you to start making money from TikTok affiliate marketing. So all you need to do is to actually find an affiliate product you could actually promote right here on your TikTok account. So there are a bunch of affiliate marketing program that you could actually join. You could actually join Jumia affiliate marketing program, Konga affiliate marketing program, CA affiliate marketing program, and other affiliate marketing program. So if I were you, and if I'm going to be starting affiliate marketing on TikTok, I'm actually going to be finding a very high product that is actually selling. So for example, an example of a good product that could actually sell well on TikTok is skincare product, because a lot of people out there actually can't do without cream, because everybody actually use cream. And again, a lot of ladies and men would love to make sure their skin is beautiful. So this is going to be giving me a very high opportunity to actually sell to them. So all I could do right here, I could just like go on jumia.com. I could try to like figure out the best cream right here on their program. So I could like just get the affiliate link to the program right here, then go on my TikTok account, create a video about the cream, and also put the link to the cream on my TikTok bio. And guys, you don't need any requirement for you to start doing this, so you could actually use your phone to actually record yourself and it's gonna be fine. But if you know you don't want to show your face, you could actually just go on site like pixabay.com to actually get some stock footage. So you could actually just edit the stock footage, like put them together right here and start posting them on TikTok. So if you know you want me to do a detailed video about how you could actually start TikTok affiliate marketing program, all you need to do is to go down to the comment section and drop me a comment. So once you drop me a comment, and once I see a lot of people commenting on, I'm going to be actually releasing the video right here on my channel. And again, if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like the video, so anytime I upload the video, you're going to be the first person to be notified. So the fourth way that you could actually make money on TikTok is by actually creating a Patreon page. So if you know you have something that you could literally offer to people, you could actually just put this in your Patreon page. So you could offer it as a premium membership. And guys, if you know you're going to be using this method, you must actually have a good number of followers right here on TikTok account. So you must have a good number of followers that actually trust you and also like what you do. That's the only way you could actually make money using this method. And again, this thing can actually be anything. It could actually be like courses, it could be like packs, it could be templates, it could be anything, as long as people can find it valuable, and also as long as they could actually gain from whatever you're going to be selling to them. You could actually make money from this right here on TikTok. So guys, if you know you found the video helpful, please make sure to give the video a like, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends and family that needs to see this video. So if you know you want to learn how you could actually create a US TikTok account to start making money online for yourself, I would advise you click on this video popping right here on your screen. I'm actually going to see you guys in the video.